Yeah. Now we are starting the add 10 complements. First is add 9 equals to add 10 less 1. Sharvari, tell me 5 problems on add 9.
Okay. Add 9
Add 9
plus 2.
less 2 directly.
Add 9.
Add 9 equals to add 10 less 1. In tens place, we should move the fingers, move the beads with left and thumb finger lower beads. Less 1 we have done. Add 9 equals to add 10 less 1. Next.
Completed.
Okay, answer is 16. Next problem on add 9.
Add 7.
Add 7 directly.
Add 9
Add 9 equals to add 10 less 1.
plus 2.
Less 2 equals to here. Which complement we should use, Sharvari? Less 2?
5's complement, ma'am.
Yeah, less 5 complement. Tell me, less 2 equals to?
Plus 5. Add 3.
Very good. Answer is?
14, ma'am.
Very good. Next.
Add 2.
Add 2.
Add 6.
Add 6.
Add 9.
Add 9 equals to add 10 less 1. That's
Answer is 17.
answer is 17. Very good. Next problem.
Add 3.
Add 3.
Add 6.
Add 6 directly.
Add 9.
Add 9 equals to add 10 less 1. Okay. Next. Answer is
Add
18.
4.
Add 4.
Add 9.
Add 9 equals to add 10 less 1.
Add 2.
Add 2 equals to?
Add 5 less 3.
Very good. Answer is?
Answer is 15.
Very good, Nana. Now we have completed add 9 equals to add 10 less 1. 5 problems completed, Sharvari.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Nischal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
Add
me.
7.
Add 8 equals to add 10 less 2. Now we are doing add 8. Yes. Add 7.
Less 3.
Less 3 equals to, how to do less 3?
Ma'am, less 3 equals to,
Hmm?
ma'am, less 5, add 2, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, next is, add 5,
Add 5.
add 8, ma'am.
Add 8 equals to add 10 less 2.
Less,
Answer is?
ma'am, answer is, uh, 17, ma'am.
Yes. Next problem.
Ma'am, next problem is, add 9,
Be active. Next.
less 2,
Less 2.
add 8,
Add 8 equals to add 10 less 2. Next.
add 9, ma'am.
Add.
Add 9.
One more problem.
9, ma'am.
One more problem.
No, ma'am. No problem.
Six only.
Yes, ma'am.
Add 9 equals to add 10 less 1. How to do less 1 here?
Ma'am, we can do less 1 equals to, ma'am, less 5, add 4.
Very good. So the answer is?
So, ma'am, 29, ma'am.
20?
9, ma'am.
24. Nana, where are you checking? Are you able
Ma'am,
to?
I can't see the.
24 is
No,
the answer.
ma'am.
Tell me the next problem. Don't do it. Look at the screen and tell me the problems. Okay. Next problem.
Ma'am, next problems add 6
Add 6
less 2.
less
2, ma'am.
less 2 equals to
Add less 5.
huh?
Add 3, ma'am. Less
Add
5, add 3.
less 5.
3, ma'am. 3,
Be
ma'am.
fast, Nana. Be louder. Say it louder. Next.
Add 9.
Add 9 equals to
Add 9 equals to add 10 less 1.
next.
Add 10 less 1. Add 5, ma'am.
Add 5. Answer is
Ma'am, the answer is 18, ma'am.
yes. Very good. Next problem. 5 problems completed.
Ma'am, fourth problem we are in, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me, Nana.
Ma'am, add 8.
Add 8.
Add 8.
Again add 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Add 8 equals to add 10 less 2. Next.
Less 1, ma'am.
Less 1. Answer is
Ma'am, add 4. Another. Add 4.
wait. Add 4. Answer is
Yes, ma'am. 19, ma'am.
yes. Very good. Next problem.
Next problem, ma'am. Add 1.
Add 1.
Add 7.
Add 7.
Less 6.
Less 6.
Add 8.
Add 8 equals to
Add 10 less 2.
answer is
Ma'am, 10, ma'am.
yes. We have completed add 8 equals to add 10 less 2. Yes. Next. Mute yourself, Nana. Next Tejas. Add 7 equals
Ma'am,
add 7 equals to add 10 less 3. Tell me the first problem on add 7.
add 9
Add 9
less 6,
less
6,
less 6. Next.
7.
Add 7 equals to tell me the complement. Add
Add
7.
7 is equal to add 10 less 3.
Very good. Add 10 less 3. Answer is
10.
very good. Next problem.
Add 4,
Add 4. Very good, Nana. Everyone say like
7.
Teja. Add 4.
Add 7.
Add 7 equals to
Add 10 less 3.
add 10 less 3. Next.
Add 2.
Add 2.
Add 3.
Add 3 equals to
Add 5 less 2.
super. Very good, Tejas. Answer is
16, ma'am.
excellent, Nana. Next problem.
Add 6. Add 9.
Add 9 equals to
Add 10 less 1.
okay. Next.
Add 7.
Add 7 equals to
Add 10.
okay. How to do less 3?
Less 3 is equal to less 5. Add
Very good. Answer is
22.
excellent. Next problem. Be active like
Add 9.
everyone. Add 9.
Add 7.
Add 7 equals to add 10 less 3. Next.
Add 3
Add 3
less 7.
less 7. Answer is
12.
very good. How many problems?
Over, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Very good, Tejas. Next one. Josnika. Add 6 equals to add 10 less 4. Tell me.
Add 9.
Add 9.
Add 6.
Add 6 equals to tell me, Josnika. Add 6. How to add?
Add 6 is equals to less 4. Add 10.
How you should read? Josnika, how you should read?
Add 10, auntie.
Yes, first you should say add 10, then less 4. Add 6 equals
Okay.
add 10 less 4. Next.
Add 6.
Hmm? We have done. Add 6, add 10 less 4. Next.
Ma'am, second problem. Add
Okay.
3.
Wait, Nana. Answer is 15. Now
Yeah.
tell me the second problem.
Add 6.
Add 6
Less 5.
less 5.
Add 7.
Add 7 equals to.
Add 7 is equals to
How to do add 7 here? Tell me.
add 7 is equals to add 10.
Josnika, look at the screen and tell me how to add 7 here.
Ma'am, in the units place take 2
Directly.
beats.
Directly.
Directly
Directly.
take 2
Yes.
beats and add 5, ma'am.
Yes, next. Directly. You can say directly. No need to say all that. Yeah. Next.
Ma'am, third problem. It's over, ma'am. Second problem.
Answer is 8. Okay, next problem.
2,
Add 2.
9,
Add 9 equals to. Add 9 equals to.
add 1, add 9.
Huh? Add 9 equals to.
Add 1, add 9.
What are you saying, Josnika? Add 9. What is the tens complement of add 9? Add 9 equals to. Add 10 less 1. Add
Okay.
10 less 1. Next.
Ma'am, in the book, ma'am, in the book, but it's 1 and 9, ma'am.
Where?
In in 24th page, ma'am.
24th page?
Ma'am, over here, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, over here. We should we should we should add 9, write 9 over here and add 1 over here, right?
What are those? What I am asking you? What I am asking you, Josnika? Those are
Tens
supplements.
compliments,
Those
ma'am.
are supplements. I am asking you complement. What is that? Add 9 equals to add 10 less 1. What you have read now? I gave you time, right, to read the complements?
Yes, ma'am.
Till now, what you have read? What is next? Tell me.
Add 10, add 1.
Add what?
Ma'am, add
Add 10
9.
and 1. What it will be, Josnika? Tell me. If you add 10 and 1, it will become 11, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are saying add 10, add 1? What you should do to get 9? You have written the complements in your notebook or not? Tell me first.
No, ma'am.
Why? You are already there in that class. That time only I told you the compliments, right? I asked everyone to write. I gave it in the group also. If you are not doing any practice, if you're not writing anything, then how can you get all your friends are at the end of the level 1? Sharvari, tell me.
Ma'am,
Tell me add 9 equals to.
add 9 equals to.
Yes. How to add 9
Add 9 equals
equals to? What is the complement of add
add
9?
9 equals to. Add 10 plus 1.
What is add 8?
Add 8 equals to. Add 10 less 2.
Yes, you should take 10, then remove 2. Then only you will get 8. You're saying add 10, add 1. It is there in the book. What is there in the book? They're asking the supplements there. Who is friend of 1? If you add 9, you will get 10. That so 9 is friend of 1. They're asking to write the supplements. That is not the complement. Complements are here. Complements are here. Add 6 equals to add 10 less 4.
Yeah.
First copy that in your notebook, Josnika. All the complements.
Okay, ma'am.